Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and I got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a husband that sues for paternity after wife cheats with 20 men on Instagram. Let's get into the video.
When I cheated with 20 different men, he has no possibility.
That doesn't even matter. That's my son. He looks just like me. Like, you can see it in his face.
He does not look like you. He looks like 6 or 7 of the other guys that I cheated on you with.
I can't believe you would do this. Like, I've taken care of him since he was born.
I don't care. You took care of him. So what? These other men take way better care of him than you do. Let me tell you. And the guy that I know is the father really knows how to take care of me.
How could you be like that?
He really knows how to take care of me.
I can't believe this. Your Honor, that is my son.
It is not your son. You are so confused. Let me tell you. I can't believe
you're going to find out today. You're going to find out today. I don't care how many people you slept with. That's my son.
Listen, I know who I slept with, and women know who the baby daddy is, and I know who the father of my child is. You are completely wrong. You're wasting my time. I don't need to be with your broke.
Yeah, I'm listening to you. I just can't believe that you would talk to me like this after all this time that we've been together. I mean, I even signed his birth certificate.
You signed his birth certificate because you were the first guy to show up at the hospital. That's the only reason why. If someone else would have showed up first and they had more money, you would have been the baby daddy. And I'm gonna have it. It's wrong.
No, I'll fight it. That's my son.
You'll see today, because when they give you the test results and you see that you're not the father, you're going to leave me alone and let me do my thing with who I'm with.
I've already been raising him. I mean, how are you going to do this to him? I mean, even if you don't care about me, why would you do this to him?
He doesn't know what's going on. He has no idea. He's a baby. They don't know who's dad and who's uncle. You know, he calls everybody uncle. Okay?
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. They're all uncles, just like you're going to be an uncle. Me and calling me and telling me that you're the father and you have diapers or whatever. These men are actually buying the baby presents and everything.
I mean, I'm working. I'm paying for everything that I can. I mean, I'm not rich. I mean, but I try to pay for everything that I can. Why isn't that enough?
Because you lied to me and you told me that you had a good job and you don't make these other men can afford to take me on a yacht. And they could take me.
I did. I had a different job before, job right now, but that shouldn't make you take my son away.
It's so boring with you. All you want to do is sit down. You don't do nothing. I want to be going out, living a good life, taking vacation. I don't have any time to be messing with somebody broke like you. I can't. I just can't. I can't do it. And you are not the father. Like, stop being so clingy. I slept with 20 men, more than 20 men.
So what? You're not a psychic.
No, I'm not. I know what I want, and I know how to get what I want. And you don't know how to get anything.
That's my son.
I have no idea why he would think that he's the father of my child.
What I know about life is that you're going to run through all kinds of men who want to enjoy you. You've got to know the difference between someone who wants a good time and who's here for a long time. This man seems like he's here for a long time. He's interested in a family. He wants to be the father.
I'm not looking for a long time. I'm looking for a good time. And
well, that might be the problem. Maybe you need to be
better time, not just a good time. I want a great time, and he is not going to give me a great time. It's just not going to happen.
It's okay. You might just be lost, and that's fine. If you want to be lost, then we'll send you and leave you at the lost and found. There's a song says she don't want to be saved. Because I would hope that a gentleman like this who wants to show up, who wants to be present and is doing his best to try, that you would actually have the ability to see the value in that. But you don't have the ability to see that kind of value. You don't want to be saved. So we're going to let you stay out there.
I need to be saved. I'm not. It's somebody who needs rescuing.
I don't care what you do on the internet. I don't care how it goes down in the streets. We are not in the street. We are in my courtroom, and I run the show in here. You will respect me, and so I'm going to need you to, when I'm talking, keep it quiet. Thank you.
All right, Your Honor. I know with the results already, Your Honor.
Clearly, you're getting men off the internet.
Boy, that he's not my baby's daddy.
That is my son.
This is the man here in court with you, not the other guys. The other guys haven't shown up, and I doubt that they've actually shown up in your
wouldn't waste their time with something like this because they have business meetings and other things to attend to because they're not broke.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to actually receive the results of this because this has gone on long enough, and I really want to put this gentleman out of misery.
Oh, you're gonna learn. You're gonna see.
Now you're gonna see that you're not his dad. You time waster.
Today we are here for the results, and that is all we're dealing with. We are not here to save you. Whatever you do with your life, that's your business. But when it comes to this child right here on the screen, sir, you are the father.
No.
I told you that was my son. I told you. I knew it. I knew it. I could see it in his eyes that was my son.
There's no way.
I want custody of our son.
I know that he's not the father. I know this.
Ma'am,
and with this now, I'll be able finally to get custody of our son. It doesn't matter. That's my son. That's my son. You can say whatever you want. That's my son.
He is not your son. I want another test. There is no way that is your son. You are crazy.
This is your last outburst. This is a done deal. These paternity tests are conclusive. They are 9.98% accurate. There is no questionability about this. Whoever you involved yourself with, whether it was 10, 15, or 20, listen.
Thank you. Maybe 50.
Go through the whole New York police department or fire department. The point of the matter was about with this.
Yes.
No, I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I encourage you.
Well, then I'm gonna see you in court then because I'm gonna put you on child support. How do you like that, Mr. Brokey?
I don't care. I'm gonna get full custody with the amount of men that you admitted to sleeping with. That's definitely gonna be my son.
I would tread lightly because you've said some very interesting things that I'm sure a court would love to hear more about as far as being fit to be a parent. So I would tread a little more lightly and I would try to work things out with this gentleman because it seems like he's trying and it seems like one of you guys has a good head on your shoulders and the other one might just have, I'm not really sure what's going on here. However, I do wish you both the best.
Boy, I don't know what was worse, listening to her talk or them big mini blind eyelashes. You know what? I'm not even going to get into all this, man. I want to honestly hear from y'all. What do you guys think about this video that we just watched? This young lady. Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. Let's have a discussion about it, all right? Let's just chat down below, all right? Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. That dude better run. For real, man. It probably would have been better if he wasn't the father. But hopefully, you know, he does get custody and that child does not have to worry about that young lady influencing him or her in any way, shape, form, or fashion. That's crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.